Imagine a world without bees, trees, or colorful fish. A world without the incredible variety of life we see around us every day. This is what could happen if we lose biodiversity. But what exactly is biodiversity, and why is it so crucial for our planet? Today, we'll dive deep into the importance of biodiversity in ecosystems and explore how it helps keep our world in balance. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that affects every living organism on Earth, biodiversity. You might have heard the term before, but did you know that it's the foundation of healthy ecosystems? Let's break down what biodiversity is, why it's essential, and how we can protect it. So, what is biodiversity? It refers to the variety of life on Earth. This includes all the different species of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystems they form, and the genetic diversity within these species. You might think of it as nature's library. Each species is like a book, contributing to the richness of life. Biodiversity exists on three levels. Genetic diversity. Genetic diversity refers to the variations within a species. Species. Diversity is the variety of different species in an area, and ecosystem diversity refers to the different habitats and ecosystems that support life. These three levels are interconnected. For example, a diverse ecosystem with a variety of species is more resilient to changes, such as climate shifts or natural disasters. And the more genetic diversity a species has, the better it can adapt to environmental changes, ensuring its survival. Now, why is biodiversity so important? Let's start with pollination. Many plants depend on animals like bees, butterflies, and birds to help them reproduce. In fact, around 75% of flowering plants rely on pollinators to thrive. Without biodiversity, this essential process would break down, leading to the collapse of many food chains. In the oceans, coral reefs are a prime example of the importance of biodiversity. Coral reefs host around 25% of marine species, from fish to invertebrates, and they provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds. However, these ecosystems are extremely vulnerable to climate change and pollution. When biodiversity decreases, entire ecosystems become less resilient and more susceptible to collapse. On land, biodiversity plays an equally vital role. Forests, grasslands, and wetlands all support countless species of plants and animals. These ecosystems help regulate the climate, purify air and water, and cycle nutrients. Healthy forests, for example, store carbon dioxide, which helps mitigate climate change. Plants and trees are like nature's carbon sinks. They absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and store it, helping to regulate the climate. In fact, forests alone store about 30% of the world's carbon emissions. So when biodiversity is lost, not only are species in danger, but the entire planet's climate stability is at risk. But biodiversity isn't just about the natural world. It directly impacts our lives. Healthy ecosystems provide us with vital services such as clean water, food, and medicine. Many pharmaceutical drugs are derived from natural compounds found in plants and animals. And did you know that forests and wetlands help prevent floods by absorbing excess water during heavy rains? Ecosystem services like these are invaluable. Without biodiversity, these services would be lost, leading to dire consequences for human communities. This is why protecting biodiversity is essential for our own survival. So what's threatening biodiversity? There are several factors, including habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation of species. Deforestation, for example, is one of the biggest threats to biodiversity, as it not only destroys habitats but also contributes to climate change. Each of these threats weakens ecosystems, causing species to decline and ecosystems to unravel. But the good news is that there's still hope. Around the world, efforts are underway to protect and restore biodiversity. Conservation efforts such as creating protected areas, reforestation, and sustainable farming practices are helping to restore biodiversity. For instance, in Costa Rica, large areas of rainforest are now protected, allowing wildlife to thrive. In Kenya, anti-poaching laws are helping protect endangered species like elephants and rhinos. And it's not just up to governments and organizations. Individuals like you and me can also make a difference. We can support biodiversity by reducing our carbon footprint, avoiding single-use plastics, and supporting conservation efforts. Even planting native plants in your garden can help provide habitat for local wildlife. Every small action adds up. Together, we can make a big impact in preserving the rich diversity of life on our planet. So let's recap. Biodiversity is the foundation of healthy ecosystems. It supports pollination, regulates the climate, provides vital services like clean water, and ensures the resilience of our planet. But it's under threat from human activities. By supporting conservation efforts and making sustainable choices, we can help protect biodiversity for future generations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content about nature and how we can protect it. Remember, every action counts when it comes to preserving the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Protect our planet, protect biodiversity. Together, we can make a difference.